Going to have an unboxing today. We are going to have a blast today. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Door and Lock Tips. I have got a great machine. It just came in the mail. Looks like it's time to hit that like button. I got to get it out of this indestructible box. It came all the way from Michigan. Yeah. FRAMON, F-R-A-M-O-N. It is a key machine. FRAMON Manufacturing. Yeah. So let's open the box. Oh, just a side point tip for the day. Never throw away your boxes. Keep your old box. Very important in case you have to ship it back. Let's get into the show. Yeah. Go ahead and open the box. I'm a little nervous, guys. I'm going to tell you everything about it. It's so beautiful. Oh, let's get into it. This is well done. Now, you want to be real careful doing all this because if you got to ship it back, you got to ship it back, right? Something happens. From what I understand, you never have to ship these back. But just in case, keep the box perfect. Here's the staples. Ooh, that one broke. Here we go. Had a phone call. Everybody's excited about this machine. I don't think they're as excited as I am. What is the machine? That's the question. Ta-da! As usual, it's going to come with the foam insert spray and stuff. Great way to ship. Okay, here it goes. There's the manual. Cables. The plug-in port for my computer. Let's just look at this stuff. How does this work? I bet you this is the adapter. I want to do this nicely, guys. Whoa! That's really stuck. Ooh. That's generic code. Okay. Wow, look at the machine. Oh, what a work of art. That is a very nice machine. Here's the cable. I have one from my company, Dell, so it's an adapter. This plugs into the back of the key machine, and this is the new modern goes in right there. So I can put it in there, or I can put it in the other side of my machine. If you get one, make sure you have several ports, at least for power. Hooray. Ooh, manual. Ooh, nice. Nice. This is going to be part of the world that you're going to need to know. This, how to set it up. There is a video by PJ, and also, you know, PJ CLK Supply. There's also a video from FRAMON how to set this up. Highly suggest you do all that before you, you got to do the introduction. Here's the serial numbers and all that good stuff. Wow, and the cutter on it is a FC8445. That's real important. I don't know if I have any other cutters. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, got to fill that out. Get your warranty. Very important. The moment of truth. What's underneath door number 1? Let's see. Yeah. Boom! Look at this. Whoa. This is dying to be ceramic coated. I love ceramic coating my key machines. Ooh, it's got carbide. There, let's turn this to get you to see the beautiful machine in a box. First time ever coming out. They made this up in Michigan. It's heavy. I think it's 45 pounds. So let's get it out of the box. I'm going to do this very gently off camera so I don't wreck it. Wow, how do I get this out without wrecking it? I guess FRAMON gets to see how other people get it out. It would be nice to have a handle on top. Whoa. Whoa. Keep this all together. Oh my, what a beautiful machine. Look at underneath. Oh, it's gorgeously milled. My dad had a machine shop up in Michigan called Micro Machine Company. They made surgical tools for Stryker. And I'm going to tell you, from what I understand, this holds tolerances of 4/10. Now that's half the size of 1/1000. No one does that in the key industry except this company, FRAMON. What is this model? This model I don't see the name. What is the model? I'm going to look it up on their website. Yeah, hang in there. So guess what? It's right in their book that they sent me. It's the fully automatic code cutter. Wow. This is beautiful. The FRA-2001. That's gorgeous. Now, you know they make all kinds of stuff, guys. Every kind of key machine known to man. These all hold that 5/10 tolerance, a half of a thousandths. Now there's their claim to fame. That everybody buys. It's a code machine. It's only like 1,700 bucks. Don't quote me on that. You know, prices fluctuate. So it's right here in their book. And it is, well, here, we'll go back. We'll go back. Please hit that like button, guys. Tell your friends, subscribe. I should have marked this. Oh, here it is. Here it is. There it is. There's the machine. Fully automatic code cutting machine. It's the FRA-2001 machine. It's completely controlled through my computer. There are no buttons. Nothing here. Nothing to calibrate. You stick your key in. Nice machine. Who makes it? FRAMON does. Michigan, US made. This runs on generic code.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say. You should hear it. Oh.
Nice and durable. This even looks like it's porcelain. I think it is porcelain. And ooh, carbide. Nice teeny thin wheel, but not too thin. It's great. Look at that. Hey guys, if you stay till the end, you get to see some close-ups. Let's get back to the show. So there we have the unboxing. I'm hoping that you will stay for the rest of the videos this year on this beautiful machine and many from FRAMON. I can't wait. Plug the power cable in, turn this alive. Now this is 110, you can get it, 12 volts I think it is. There's an upcharge for that motor. But I'm thinking I want to always keep this in the back of my video studio and show you just how this works. What a reflection. Can you imagine this with ceramic coating by Avalon King on it? It will blow your mind. Plus Avalon King, when you coat your key machines with that product, the chips just fly off. Non-magnetic, gotta have that. And you will be happy, 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 happy. So please hit that like button, smash, smash, smash that like button. Tell your friends. I'll have the next update on this killer machine in my shop. Yeah! Don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks again, guys. 5/10 tolerance. Ooh, even has cooling vents. I don't think it gets hot. What a machine. Thanks again, guys.
And I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Never gonna stop. No, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't never gonna stop. No, no. Oh, I ain't never gonna stop. Yeah.
think I'll clean it up a little bit before I bring it into my shop. Easy to do out here on the table. Don't want any dust in the studio. Not much dirt, guys. Imagine ceramic coating this. Oh, that is next. After I learn how to use it. The learning curve is supposedly quite easy. I'm liking that idea. Boy, there's not even a scratch on this machine. When you're shelling out money for something, you want to have it perfect. This is like working with a piece of jewelry, maybe better. Wow. Serial number, everything is right here. Made in America. I'm going to love putting that ceramic coating on this. I think Phil down at FRAMON will be proud of it. Can't hurt a thing, takes a few minutes to do, and then all the chips that could possibly come off the machine. Maybe they don't, maybe not, I don't know how it works. I know my ITL 9700A, they go everywhere, flying everywhere. All right, let's get it into the shop. Thanks for hanging in till the end, guys. We'll have a lot more goodies about this machine coming in the future. Thanks, guys. Wow, look at it, it's just like a piece of glass. Oh, man. That is nice. That's where the chips. Now he's even got a little rubber there so it doesn't clatter too badly. And one simple chuck. And this does turn around. Some way. I don't know. I think you pick it up. Yeah, it's so new. It's not one to. There you go. And you turn it around. Oh, boy, this is tight tolerances, guys. Look at that. All nicely machined. Wow. And there's your stops built in. I'll have to loosen that up. He's got that nicely screwed in so it doesn't move. Switches, power buttons, main and spindle. You'll see that in his video. Here's the air vents. I hope you're excited as I am. What is this? Oh, you know that's how they... Oh, wow. Let's see this thing. I don't think that's automated. I think you just run a key in there. Pull the key back and forth. Well, everybody has a grinder. If you don't, you're in deep trouble. You can't make these machines. To take the chips off. Probably not a good idea to make these machines, specialty machine like this, clean keys. Buy yourself a Dell, can't go wrong. What a machine. Look at the glass finish. Oh. Warning, wear proper eye care protection. You know, they have that on everything, and I will tell you, you get a chip in your eye and you will really regret it. It is on rubber feet. There are little rubber grommet feet. What a beautiful machine.